Good morning, everyone. Yulia here, back in my garden today, and what I have to show you today is this beautiful purple salvia. This one is from Proven Winners. It's called Rockin Deep Purple. It grows to about 36 inches in height, and I just love the color. And I just brought it out here, put it down on the ground, and bees already started coming and looking for nectar. So I'm expecting this will be a very good pollinator attractor plant. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you my plants where I want to plant this. I have 3 of those that I picked up at the store and super excited about this plant. This bed is long and narrow. It's right along my pool cage. And here what I'm going for is just a lot of color and a lot of blooms. So then when I look out from the pool, I have something nice to look at. So when I saw these salvias at the store, I thought they will be a perfect addition for this spot here. Salvias are drought tolerant. This bed only gets sprinkler water. It does not have any other irrigation. So I'm hoping that they will do well here. And then they will just feed from whatever rainwater we get as well, in addition to sprinklers. And we only have sprinklers going maybe 3 times a week. So I will see if they will need supplemental water along the way or not. But I feel like it's going to be worth trying it out here. Also, I'm trying to add more pollinator-friendly plants here. And I'm very excited about these salvias. I can imagine pollinators will love them. So I'm gonna put one here in this spot. I'm gonna spread them out, and then another one here, and the third one at the very end, right here. And these are banana transplants that I recently transplanted. Right now they are in a bit of shock just because the root system is not very deep on them. So every time I transplant bananas, they look a bit sad, but they tend to bounce back pretty quickly. I'm hoping in next maybe 2-3 weeks they will look better. So that's the plan. I'm gonna get these salvias in right here, and this is how it's looking. And then hopefully banana trees will grow nicer and taller. And maybe in next week or next few days I can go back to the store and see if I can find any more pollinator friendly plants and add them to this border. So hoping for a nice mix of colors and flowers. So to this hole I already added this plant tone by Espoma, and this is just all-purpose fertilizer, and also I added a little bit of garden soil because the soil is not very good here. So I think I need more soil. And now I'm gonna mix in the native soil here as well. And look at that. Look how beautiful this plant is. It's just the color is stunning. I like the deep purple, and some of it is kind of like looking almost black. So very excited. It should grow to about 3 feet. So can't wait. Can't wait to see all the blooms. So right next to this salvia, I want to plant this beautiful Cashmere Superbena. When I was at the store, they only had 2. I wish they had more. I would buy them all. But I only got 2 of these, and I think that it's going to be a very nice combination of this deep purple salvia and pink Superbena. And this one will spread. I just randomly have this sitting here, so I'm gonna move it out of the way, and I'm gonna put one here and one by the banana tree, so it can fill in this corner. Or maybe I'm gonna put the other one closer on this side. So this one looks like it might be root bound as well. All these roots are coming out like crazy out of the bottom. Yep, it looks like it's root bound as well. So I'm gonna break it up gently, just on the bottom here. Gonna add some garden soil. So I think I could have made the hole deeper, but I can't dig too deep here because we have irrigation right beneath here, and I don't want to damage anything because I think the main line is going right here. So this will do. Now I just have to water all of them. All the plants are in. I planted 3 salvias and they are looking beautiful. I can only imagine how good they will look when they reach their full size. They should be filling in about 3 feet of the space here. And right along salvias here, I have spider plants and also pink vinca and polka dot vinca right here. And then I just have repetition of the same plants throughout the border. And for the height, I added these banana trees. We'll see how they will do here. I'll give them a few weeks to bounce back and then reassess. And at the very end of the border here, I added 2 Cashmere Superbenas. I am very excited about these plants. You can see there's already new buds here. So very soon they're gonna fill in this quarter. Here's the other one. another Superbena, and then Salvia. I really think this combination will look very pretty here. And that's it for today. Today's project is done, and I'll see you in the next video.